What's good, YouTube, and welcome back to another video. And in today's video, as y'all can see by the title and the thumbnail, I'm finally gonna finish my exhaust on my Q50. This has been a long time coming. I don't know if you guys been watching the whole Q50 series, but you know, we on E85. I did the Megan white pipe. I did the Megan white pipe. Found out that it was like some custom muffler delete, and then in the mid section of the exhaust, and I noticed that I had the regular stock resonators on there and with these little pipes. So today we're going to be upgrading those pipes, and we're going to be putting these on there. If you guys are an OG, y'all definitely know about these, man. Y'all definitely know about these, man. We finna put these on there, and I'm super duper excited. I can't wait to see what it sound like. And then pretty much I done made a whole exhaust. I don't need to go out and buy a $2,000 exhaust. Hopefully it sounds good, and maybe you guys wanna, you know, rock this for your Q50 or whatever. So we gonna see, but I'm really excited about it. It's been a long time coming for the Q. This is definitely gonna wake it up, definitely gonna give it just a little bit more power because it's gonna be able to breathe better. And yeah, man, I'm super duper excited. So y'all stay tuned onto the video. All right, y'all. So Switcher Plans won't be able to do the custom thing today, but we're just gonna be able just to install these today. So just the vibrant resonators. Let's see how it sounds. Hopefully it sounds a little better since we're replacing the OEM. So kind of sad about that we can't do the whole custom thing, but it's all good though. We'll probably just go ahead. I'll just have to go ahead and buy like an X pipe or something like that, and then do it. So let's go ahead and get into the video though. Boy, Check done pulled up with the AMG. Y'all remember this bad boy? Okay, got a little bit to it. A little deeper sound. This sound just like my G37. Oh yeah. Thank you, brother. I know my car dirty, y'all. You know what I'm saying? It's early in the morning. I'm about to get it washed today. Sounded just like the G, man. Just like the G. Y'all know I'm gonna do a couple of pulls and stuff for y'all and all that. So stay tuned on to the video, man. All right, y'all. So I'm in the Q. Put this thing in sport mode so y'all can hear it. This thing sound like, whoa. Woo! I ain't gonna lie, it sounds just like my G37. I'm gonna keep it 100. It sound almost identically the same. And the good thing about like if you're doing something like this, like it's not gonna be too loud. It's gonna give you the good tone, but it ain't gonna be too loud, not too raspy. It has that deep tone and it don't sound like a raspy VQ. It sounds really, really good though. Like if you're gonna do the vibrant resonator and muffler delete setup. I think I'm gonna film this video in different sections. So normally I would film the video and I'll like get pulls for y'all, but eventually I know I'm gonna be like in a tunnel somewhere. Maybe I could do like a backstreet pull and stuff like that. Maybe I can get somebody else to record it from the outside and get revs and stuff. So this video will probably be filmed in different sections just to let y'all know, because I don't have enough videos for me to post it right now. So I think I'm gonna film it in different sections so y'all just keep on enjoying the video. What's going on, y'all? So remember in the last part of the video I was like, I'm gonna just continue this video on because I didn't have enough minutes to go ahead and post it. So anyways, I'm gonna continue the video on, and let's talk about the exhaust a little bit, and I'm gonna tell you guys what I'm on my way to do. I'm gonna just go ahead and incorporate that in this video as well. The exhaust sounds just like my G37, like right smack dead on it. The only thing with this car, to me, it has like more of a deeper tone than my G37, but it's pretty identical, and I like the sound. Of course, you know, I like the sound when I did the vibrant resonator and muffler delete on my G37. So I'm glad I got it on my Q50. Like I said, I definitely expected that I was gonna do like the whole custom, because that's what they said they can do. But then I just needed some other parts or whatever for it. But where I'm going right now, I'm going to go get my front windshield tinted. So if you guys have been following along the whole Q50 journey, you guys know that I have my front windshield tinted. I was like probably maybe the first mod I did to the car besides music, I think. And I had to get my windshield repaired because you guys remember that something happened to my windshield. I don't know if a kid like threw something at it or a rock or whatever, and it had cracked it. So of course I got that windshield replaced, and as you can see, and now I'm about to go ahead and get it retinted by the same guy who tints all my cars. So I'm like, you know, I can just go ahead and add this video in there, do a couple of pulls, and then go ahead and end the video. So hope you guys are excited about that. Something, you know, some content with the Q or whatever. And hopefully within the next couple of weeks, I should have some more content actually going to SAC. Hopefully within the next couple of weeks, to go ahead and get my automatic transmission fluid change, diff change. And then I'm gonna see about putting some brakes on the car as well. So some more content or whatever, you know, with the Q. So definitely stay tuned. I know I'm not posting crazy and a lot, but you know, I'm trying my best and whatever content that I could do for you guys. So yeah, so I'll go ahead and turn the camera on as soon as I get there, and we can film that process. All right, y'all, this is how we looking. Brand new tint on the Q. Looking real. right, y'all, this is inside the cabin. Let's go ahead and turn it on. Let's go. I don't even drive like that, y'all. Like, this is a little uncomfortable for me because I don't even be driving like that. Let's do it one more. There we go. All right, y'all. So, as y'all can see, my car is dirty. And I'm about to go ahead and clean that. We're gonna add that in the video as well. So you can see how the window tint look on the car when it's clean and how the car look when it's clean. And I just wanted to make sure I got that for you guys so you guys can, you know, hear what the vibrant resonators sound like. But let me know in the comments what it sounded like so far. I'll see y'all in the next clip. All right, y'all, I'm not gonna hold this video for too long. I wanted to go get a car wash and everything. I had got like a touchless wash, so it looks way better than what it did yesterday when I did those pulls. But as y'all can see, this is what the tint looks like when it's all cured. And I'm just like, you know what? Like, I wanted to make sure, like, I clean the car, put some tire shine on the wheel and everything. But I'm just like, you know what? I'm gonna just give you guys this video. I've been holding this video since February, so I need to just go ahead and end this video. So this is how the car looks like now, y'all. And y'all got to see the pulls in the last clip. Just do another little walk around. Like I said, I know it's dirty, but yeah, man, this is what we're looking like here. This is what the idle's like with the vibrant resonators and the naked white pipe. But yeah, man, this is it, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I should be releasing another video within the next couple of weeks, maybe hopefully the next week. And this is when I took the car out to SAC and I got my brakes done and all the other stuff, and you guys will see the whole thing within the next video. So stay tuned to the next video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.